800. Okay. Yeah. I think stock they are like what, 570?
Yeah, they make the TRXs do make low like 550-ish.
550-ish?
540, 550.
Yeah.
Just because it's a TRX, there's it's got the bigger tires. Bigger tires will make less power on the dyno.
Yeah.
Normal like Challenger Hellcats do like 580.
Yeah, yeah.
Red Eyes make a little more. They make a little like low 600s. That's good.
Yeah.
I mean, big tires. It doesn't look like it's spun.
Yeah.
Pretty linear.
Yeah. No, it's.
Granted, we got like 2.5 inches sticking out, almost 2 inches sticking
Yeah,
out on each
out
side.
of it. Yeah. Well, I'm happy.
The last TRX I had on this dyno spun because you don't get the full tire contact on the rollers, and it made a little more power just because it was on ethanol.
Ethanol, yeah. No, this is pump gas, yeah.
So you would see like on the torque, when you get on it, you'll dip down a little bit and you come back up.
Because it's spinning. Well, cool.
That's good.
Maybe fuck with ethanol next,